Once your design is ready, your designer will send you an email notifying you it's ready to be reviewed. You'll get an email looking something like this. You might need to click the button in the upper right hand corner to see the images. You'll get a sneak peek of your style board with all the curated items. Then scroll down and see the message from your designer. They also specify how to engage in this process. Simply click the Review Your Design button at the bottom or up at top. Once logged in, the first thing you'll see is your style board with all of the curated products. First, be sure and read the design rationale right below the style board. There's a special message from your designer specific to your project. You can click on See Full Rationale to see that message along with all of the designer's notes. These notes will include everything from the overall design to your budget, the color scheme, and also specific items within your project. Right below the rationale is your product list or your shopping list. To the right is the total cost of all the products listed on your style board and shown here below. Here's where you'll have the chance to approve or reject an item. Each approved item will have a green check and a rejected item a red X. You can also leave a message for a rejected item to let the designer know what you're looking for. Maybe a different style, different price, or you just don't need it. You can also change your mind whether to approve or reject an item. If more than one of the same item is to be purchased, the quantity will be indicated to the right of the price in red. If you scroll down to the bottom of the product list, you'll find another discussion area. This is where you and your designer can go back and forth on various topics, whether it's a product or overall design idea. Simply type your message here for your designer. There's also the opportunity to attach an image, or you can also include a URL or website link right there in the message area. Then go ahead and click Post. Your designer will be notified by email when you've left a comment. There's one more way to communicate with your designer. If you scroll back all the way to the top to your style board and move your cursor over it, you'll see an icon that pops up. Simply click on any item in the style board or anywhere on the style board to leave another message. You'll also have the same opportunity to attach an image or copy and paste a link or URL to a website. You can also go back in and edit your message. Just click the little pencil icon and change your message and then repost. Once you have finalized all the items in your design, your designer will make them available to shop right here with the Shop It button. It'll take you directly to the buy page for each product. Then you will be able to shop each product on the buy page of that specific retailer. Sometimes products become unavailable. If this happens, be sure and leave a message for your designer down below in the discussion area and let them know that you'd like an alternative option. We hope this was a helpful video to understand how our e-design process works. For more information, check out our website, youthfulnest.com. For more information about our design process, DIY projects, or room reveals, please subscribe to our channel and check the little bell in the upper right hand corner to get notified when we have new videos.